Hi, hello everyone. This is Mr. M from Algebra Lessons. In this video, I am helping you to solve rational expressions. There are multiple kinds of problems that you may face in your classwork or homework. We are actually going to discuss two different kinds of problems here in this video. So the first problem is given here. The first problem is negative 4x by x minus 8 minus 11 over x minus 8 equal to 25 over x minus 8. To solve this, always look the denominator. See here the denominator is x minus 8, here also x minus 8, here also x minus 8. If the denominator is same, things will be very easy. It's like this. If you need to simplify 2 by 3 plus 7 by 3, you know that if the denominators are same, keep the same denominator for your answer and all the process will happen only for the numerator with the operation. So it is 2 plus 7, answer is 9 by 3, so answer is 3. Okay, so here the left hand side of the problem is negative 4x over x minus 8 minus 11 over x minus 8. So we can simplify this like what I did here. So x minus 8 is the common denominator for the fractions. So the operation is negative 4x minus 11. Okay, what is the right hand side? The right hand side says 25 over x minus 8. Okay, if you have two fractions like this, then it's an equation with the same denominator. You can cancel those denominators like this. So what is left over? So that is negative 4x minus 11 equal to 25. What is our objective? Our objective is to find x. So isolate x. For that, first you need to eliminate 11 by adding 11 on both sides. Cancelled out. So the left over is, let me use this space. So negative 4x equal to 25 plus 11, it is 36. We are trying to isolate x, so that means we don't need this negative 4. Eliminate it by divide both sides by negative 4. Cancelled out. So x is equal to 9 fours are 36, but it is negative, so negative 9. This is the solution for this problem. Okay, so how we can solve a rational expression. This is the first problem, and I believe I got it. So the next problem that I wish to help you guys with is (18 over 5x plus 10 equal plus 4 over 5 equal to negative 6 over x plus 2. Okay, we can approach this problem through multiple gateways. So here I am going to first make a research on the denominators. So see here, it is 5x plus 10, the first denominator. So I'm going to kind of splitting it up and taking the common piece out. So this is 18 over, this is 5 times x, this 10 can write as 5 times 2, so there is another 5. So this is 5 times x plus 2, because I took 5 out, or easily we can say that I divide 5. Taking out means division. Okay, so 5, two groups of 5s are 10, so this is x plus 2 plus 4 over 5 equal to negative 6 over x plus 2. See, magic is happening. X plus 2 and x plus 2 comes on both sides. Now we need a common denominator, right? There are a lot of mathematical ways to find the common denominator, but a little bit more simpler way I can explain this here. See here you have 5. Here also the second denominator is also the multiplier of 5, because this is kind of a multiplier of 5 you can consider this denominator as the common denominator. Okay, so that is 5 times x plus 2, and that is the common denominator of the left hand side of the equation. Now look here, compare these two denominators. This is 5 into x plus 2, this is also 5 into x plus 2, so nothing is missing there, right? So no need to worry about that. Choose the respective numerator, that is 18. Nothing to do with that numerator because we are not missing anything here in this denominator and this denominator. Okay, put the sign plus. And now look here, this is 5. This is 5 into x plus 2. So what is missing here? One x plus 2 is missing in here. So that missing piece you need to multiply here with this numerator, that is 4 into x plus 2 equal to negative 6 over x plus 2. Yeah, this is the point where the magic is again going to happen. That is, see, look here, 5 times x plus 2, and this is x plus 2. If you have such a denominator, you can cancel that out. Okay, and now look here, the problem now become 18. 18 plus 4 times x is 4x plus 4 times 2 is 8 over 5 equal to negative 6 over 1. Okay, 18 plus 4x plus 8. 18 plus 8 is 26. 26 plus 4x by 5 equal to negative 6. Okay, so this is 26 plus 4x equal to negative 30. Okay, so we are actually looking for the solution of x. That means the value of x that will satisfy this problem. Okay, so take this 26 off, so negative 26 cancelled out. So this is 4x equal to negative 56. Okay, now we need to eliminate 4 on both sides, correct? So cancel out. So x is equal to how many groups of 4 that you need to make a 56. So you can use your calculator or you can use your mental math. How many groups of 4 makes 56? So divide 56 by 4 and the answer is 14. But see, the problem, in this problem the numerator is negative, so answer is negative 14. Okay, so that is the answer for this problem. Here I use the sign rule. Negative over positive is negative. That is why x is equal to negative 4 as the solution. Okay, so I hope all of you already enjoyed this video. If you are not a person not yet subscribe this channel, please do that, and don't forget to press the bell icon, and that is the way you can easily access my channel for more resources for your class homework or classwork. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.